In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Wix. Wix can feel a little overwhelming at first, but once you understand how it's organized, it becomes much easier to move around confidently. The main thing to know is that Wix is divided into two key areas, the dashboard and the editor. The dashboard is the back end of your sites, where you manage settings and handle business-related tools. The editor is the visual side, where you actually design and customize your website. To get started, go to wix.com. From the homepage, sign in and access your site so you can begin navigating the platform. Once you're in, you'll land in the main area where Wix gives you access to your website tools. One of the first sections to notice is the left-hand menu. This is where you can reach important settings and features for your site, including things like your blog, store, or bookings, contacts, and analytics. Think of this menu as your control center for managing the business and functional side of your website. If you ever need to update customer information, review performance, or manage site services, this is usually the place to start. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Design Site button. This takes you into the Visual Builder, also known as the editor. This is the part of Wix where you work directly on the appearance of your site. Once you are inside the site editor, look again to the left-hand side and click Add, then choose Elements. This opens the panel where you can insert items onto your page. These elements are the building blocks of your website, and they help you shape the layout and content visually. At this point, you're in the drag and drop builder, which is one of the most useful parts of Wix. Here you can customize your web page by placing elements where you want them and adjusting the layout to match your design. This visual setup is especially helpful because you can see your changes as you make them, which makes building pages more intuitive. Finally, if you want to move between different pages on your site, use the page dropdown in the top left corner. This lets you quickly jump from one page to another, such as home or about, without needing to leave the editor. It's a simple feature, but it saves a lot of time when working on multiple parts of your website. Once you understand these main areas, navigating Wix becomes much more straightforward. With the dashboard for management and the editor for design, you'll be able to move through the platform more efficiently and build with more confidence.